I've always wanted American bullfrogs, and today, look at all those tadpoles. This little guy right here turns into this monster right here. The shrimp inside the house are doing amazing. Use my elbow to itch, King. This is how you grab a frog and they don't move. Look at that little foot. See it? If that's a baby Cornelius, that might be a little leopard frog. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We're here at the PC farm and it is dusk. I usually don't film at this time, but I felt like it was only necessary and right for this video. It is beautiful out right now. Of course, we've got the big old turkeys that somehow made it through Thanksgiving, at least for this year. Of course, we got King and a little baby. Use my elbow to itch, King. We have all of the animals in the backyard doing so amazing. And as you know, the backyard looks so amazing. I also placed an order for this cage, this giant 15-foot long, 5 feet wide, and 7 feet high. I'm very excited to not only get the cage set up, but also get the animals for the cage. All this is in hopes for being able to eventually one day let you all be able to come and see this property for yourself through PC Experiences, which is a business I have been working on for a little bit, just getting the back end done, and eventually you'll all be able to come here and see this place for your very own. We got so much these last couple weeks, bought so many fish, so many cool things. I have now finally found the rope fish, which we had just got for the tank inside the fish building. We also have an update on the groupers we got in one of our last videos. Those things are crushing it. They're eating like crazy now. The shrimp inside the house are doing amazing. One bad thing though, my lionfish is still alive. Maybe it has a bladder issue or something. It was just eating perfectly, and the next day I walk in and it looks like this. It's just slowly like breathing, but doing, I don't know. That doesn't look good though. So everything's great news other than that. Oh, we got pigs beefing. So I figured before we really get into today's video, I'm gonna do like almost like an uncut, less cuts at least, little update on the farm here. To give everyone an update, both the pigs over here, big old pigs, Mango and Lady May, are doing so good alongside their turkeys. Look how big the dang turkeys got. I mean, dude, like what? That's insane. And they made it through Thanksgiving, which is crazy. I know, maybe next year they're not as lucky, but they are massive, and they're actually both very dominant over this female here. We have the female turkey. It's our only female. We had 4. One of the dark turkey females just went missing along with most of the chickens here at the farm. I literally live somewhere that every single property has chickens and stuff, so they come and go as they please, just like my cats. My cats will disappear for like a week and then come back. So everyone has over 1.5 acres where I'm at, all my neighbors, and they all have chicken coops and stuff. I don't even know where half the chickens come and then they go. Of course, we have all of our 11 pigs over here. They're doing amazing. Our stepping stones are holding the fort down until we can do, I might not even do a concrete pit. There's probably no point. As you can see, just did some waters. That one they've clearly gotten to. And over here in the back, let me go back there. Let me show you guys. Let me open up here. Let me show you. Get Bubba. He does it every single time. Bubba, just move out of the way, and he's gonna want to come out immediately. Try to get out. No sir, no sir. All right, I'll walk on over to here and I'll show you the Coon. Hey Coon. Hey buddy. So Mr. Coon here yesterday lost his manlyhood. He has no more sack, and as well as the hog about 2 weeks ago. So they both are fully neutered now. I had the vet come out and do that yesterday while I wasn't even home actually. They popped out, got it done, and as you can see, the Coon is back up and eating and moving around, which is good. So both of those can no longer get any of the females through the fence pregnant, and you'd be surprised, pigs have the capability of doing so. One of these female pigs could literally back up to this fence, and these males can mount them from the other side of the fence. So hopefully one of you two did not get to these guys prior to doing so. It's funny because when I moved these pigs over here, I didn't even think of it until they were already in here. I go, oh my gosh, they could definitely get them pregnant. I doubt it happened, but there's a possibility that these pigs could. Now, a lot of these females are fat. I'm just kidding. hopefully we have no babies. Lulu, are you pregnant? Are you pregnant, Lulu? Let me see that belly. No? No, you're not pregnant. Hey, Bubba. So it's awesome to come out here and spend some time with the animals. I just wanted to update you guys on everything just real quick, because today is alongside the main reason I'm filming this video, because what we had found the other day, and you're about to watch that, I did want to update you on everything because we have so much going on all the time. And for those of you that watch every single video, this little update's for you. On the far end down here, oh, by the way, of course, real quickly, inside we have our baby turtles. And these guys are getting so big. Look at that. Our albinos. We have our, what is in here? Oh, look at their little side neck. Little side neck. Bunch of little random tiny species that, to be honest, that one's growing a little bit, but these guys, talk about growth. Holy smokerooskies. Look at that thing. And not only are growing, but they're growing at a fast rate. Look at the size of these Indian spotteds now. Everything's growing so fast inside here. I just wanted to update you on that too. Let's get the heck out of here and I'll show you the EO. And I'll show you the emu. This is like a speed tour. Speed tour. You ever seen that video? This is like the speed tour of PC Farm before we get into it. Hey, Rick and Morty. How you doing? Oh, how you doing? Of course, our emus are doing good. I'd love to get them something really, really nice and big here soon. Where's your buddy? Oh, he's over there laying down. I'm not gonna lie, I just tripped out for a second. He's all the way over there at the end, laying down. They already ate this morning, so. Fellas, that is the quickest, I think, run through speed tour of the animals here in the backyard farm. Everything looks amazing this morning. I was doing some work in the goat enclosure, just putting some hay where it needs to go, raking up some poop. If you don't clean up farms, it tends to get really flyy out here. Lots of flies start to show up, especially this time of year. And as you can see, got some hay up top, hay down in the bottom, baby's sleeping over there, and everything is raked clean over here. Looks good. But I can go on and on about all the things that are going on here at the farm. See all my alerts? They're just everywhere. I'm waiting for you to come back. Inside this pond behind me, there's not much of a pond. I will say the plants have taken over. These weeds have taken over an immense amount of the pond. There's only that much left. I have to get in here, okay, and cut back all this, but I really like this for two different reasons. One, it keeps the predators out, the big egrets and big birds that come and eat my fish. Keeps them out. They can't see the fish, right? Two, great filtration. So I am leaving it as of now, but eventually we'll take it out. If you look in the far, let me just let the camera focus. Okay, Ty, zoom in right there. That is all goldfish. That's crazy. Let me see if I can go to the other side and actually get them on camera before they spook. Can you see all those goldfish? Oh, it shows on camera. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it does. From there, all the way across to here, solid goldfish. Not only are all of my plants growing out around the pond so heavily, this pond has become so natural though that I'm literally growing like the algae and the moss and stuff that a normal pond out at a lake at your neighborhood would have. I've never had that happen in here, but the water is staying so crystal clear just naturally. And I love it. I love it. So I am going to get rid of some of them, but not all of them. Today's video, you're probably wondering, I clicked the title and thumbnail because you said there was a baby Cornelius. Like, what the heck? Y'all know I have a big frog named Cornelius. And Cornelius stays right in here. He even has a sign that says his name, Cornelius. This is a massive American bullfrog that I once rescued out of an Asian food market. Now, I had two of them, but one of them I released into that backyard pond because he was fighting, or she was fighting, with the other one. So in order to prevent the other one from dying, I just kept Cornelius in this massive enclosure by himself. I'm hoping Cornelius, yeah, there he is. Check this big boy out. Look at him. He's massive. Look at the sheer girth of that frog. I mean, that's a mondo. Oh! Oh! Corn, chill out, Cornelius, chill. Cornelius, I'm gonna grab you like a frog. This is how you grab a frog and they don't move. Although Cornelius is like 700 pounds now compared to how big he was when I got him at the Asian food market, this guy would have been in someone's meal and already consumed and digested by now. This guy's about 2 years I've had him, maybe a little less than that, and he's grown drastically. He's gotten massive. This American bullfrog eats baby quail, like frozen quail that I get from my buddy Blake, and so many more things. This is probably one of the coolest pets I have, and I know a lot of you love Cornelius. Like, it's a big name on the channel. Speaking of Cornelius, I did release the other one, the second one, Augustus, that we named, like I said, in the pond out back. Well, I've been hearing Augustus making all the noises in the world at night. Later to find out, I think Augustus was pregnant. I think he had babies. She had babies. And I say that because the other night I was out here working on a lot of this stuff in the backyard until late at night. It got dark. I was with Gio, my buddy Gio, who's very into reptiles. And he goes, Paul, come here, you won't believe this. Look what I found. And this is what he found.
If that's a baby Cornelius, that might be a little leopard frog.
That looks like a little bullfrog.
I don't know, dude. That's crazy. What if they had babies? What if she was a female and she had eggs?
And her and Cornelius locked.
This is Cornelius's baby. Holy smokes. See you later, bud.
I don't know whether that's American bullfrog or a different frog. I don't know. There could be a frog that's very similar to that. I'm not a frog guy, but I will say it looks gosh darn close to an American bullfrog. Like, I'm talking as close as it gets, and they are seen here quite often. This is a very, very popular frog to see in Florida, especially northern Florida. And you'll remember the footage of me literally putting Augustus on this bank right here, later to hear him at night her, I keep saying him, I'm sorry, her at night, assuming so this is her baby. Whether it is or not, it's still super cool. We had a frog that looked like one, okay? But I think it's a baby American bullfrog in our backyard pond, which would mean we have baby Corneliuses in here. And I'm telling you, I hear bullfrog noises. This is literally what they sound like. Roll a clip. I hear that at night. I'm horrible impression, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm not gonna lie, yes, I went on eBay and I bought 40 tadpoles. 40 American bullfrog tadpoles. Thought it would be cool, and I really don't regret it because when they did arrive, unboxing them was the coolest thing ever. I ordered like 50 of them, 50 tadpoles. It's late at night right now and they just got delivered because it was like on the web, sketchy website. So I just opened up the bag and I have not seen or looked at these yet, but I got a bunch of bullfrog literally baby Corneliuses. I bought a bunch of them and I'm excited to see them. I don't know if they're alive, how they're doing. Okay, there's definitely some that are not alive, but these things came off of eBay. I bought them. That's cool. What the fuck? I didn't even, 40 plus, dude. I didn't even know you could buy bullfrogs on the internet. Well, you can. I guess you could buy almost anything. But these just arrived. It's late at night. I wanted to open the bag up and I'll film more in the morning, but I got to put them into at least a bucket so that they could survive until the morning. Because in here, with this crap water, you could already see some are dead. They're not going to live long. So let's get them into a bucket, and of course, then I can pick up the camera later. But bucket aerator. Usually I smell it, and I had a good feeling this wouldn't smell good. It don't smell good at all. Pour them all out into the bucket. There you go. They didn't ship that well. Whoever the hell shipped that did not do good. So there's a few dead ones. You can see some of the dead ones. Like this one is no longer alive. But look at those tadpoles. Bullfrogs, fellas. Bullfrogs.
They're massive.
This is baby, bro. They're gonna get a lot bigger than this. These are actually small, considering how bullfrogs usually are. Look at this one. That one is not dead. That one's cranking, dude. I just wanted to make sure they're out of that bag so they can actually survive until the morning, where I'll pick this camera back up. See you in a second. Boom! And now we're back. We're back to present day, where I've not only found an American bullfrog in my backyard pond and updated you on all the animals and everything, and also bought stuff on eBay, and then also unboxed the stuff we bought on eBay. But now we're here. We're here with everything we did just unbox, actually, a day ago. That was yesterday. Baby bullfrogs. This little guy right here turns into this monster right here. So yes, this little guy kicking, look at these little feet. You see the little feet? Can you get them on camera? Look at that little foot. See it? So they're still little babies. These guys are so small. I'm gonna let you go first. See you, buddy. These guys are very small. They're very small. And these tadpoles actually get bigger. Once they grow those back legs, those legs will continue to grow and then they get real big. But I've always wanted American bullfrogs. And today, look at all those tadpoles. We bought them. We said enough is enough, let me buy them. This is a little bigger. Look at this guy here, Tom. That's a little bit bigger. But it's funny because he's bigger, right? But he hasn't grown his legs much yet. So
maybe different
stages, that's all. This guy's super cool. I cannot wait to hear them in my backyard. It shouldn't be too long. This is gonna be awesome. I have 30 American bullfrogs. That's awesome. But of course, now that we have all these tadpoles, it's time to put them in their forever home back here. This is not connected to anything, by the way. It's on my property. There we go. Look at them go. See what swimming through? Look at that. See that? Look at these guys. I just released these ones. Look at that go. And now he's got this big old home to grow up in. So cool. And I have so many of them. I got a bunch of them. Hello, little buddies. Look at this guy. He's huge. That's a tank. Name that one in the comments. Guys, name all 30 of these in the comments. It's crazy to see how big these tadpoles get, though. All right, buddy. There you go. They're gonna crush it in here. They're gonna get so big. As you can see, I also have my well on, and the well just constantly fills this. So it's low right now, but the well will fill this entire pool. Ha! When can I get anything right? The well will fill this entire pond all the way up to the top until I stop it. As I release these beautiful tadpoles, they're so cool because they're big. They're not tiny like little bufo invasive species. But let me boop, right in, just like that. You can see them all just disperse and bury themselves immediately in the algae at the bottom of the pond. They're just hiding, getting used to their surroundings, but these guys are gonna get so nice and large in here because it's natural. This is literally as if they were in the Florida Everglades or wherever the heck else you'd find them here in Florida. This is literally that. It's mimicking that perfectly, and they're gonna grow, and we're gonna hear them at night. Look at all those guys, and I love the pattern on these tadpoles as well. The pattern is super, super cool. I can't wait. This right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's like 8 right there. See you guys. And here goes the rest. Just like that, they disperse into the water. And just like that, an amazing afternoon here at the PC farm where we now have tadpoles, American bullfrog tadpoles in our backyard pond to hopefully grow into nice large Corneliuses so that we can one day see them and catch them, eat them for dinner. I'm just kidding. Mia might take care of that job for us though, I will say. She'll catch them. You're gonna catch them, Mimi? Mia will do the job for us. Ever since I got Mia out here running the streets, haven't had any more thieves. As you can see, fresh old water filling up the pond. We got tadpoles. We also believe we found a baby Cornelius, which is crazy. There's probably more. And we also have Augustus in here living happily ever after. So what an awesome frog day. If you guys are enjoying these I'm just kidding. God, that was horrible. Ty, cut that out or not. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was definitely an unexpected one, I'll say that. What in the heck are you doing over here? Threatening us, huh? What are you gonna do? You're lucky that you made it through this weekend. You hear me? You're lucky. All right, folks, bunch of tadpoles, finding frogs. You never really know at the PC farm what the heck's gonna go on a daily basis. You just experience an unexpected day. Love you. Thanks so much for watching. Definitely go check out the new PC hats. We've restocked on all of them. Both camos, all the black, the new color. We have a new blue. Top link in the description. Love you. Peace.